Hi, I'm Alison Morrow with your DNR Report. Precautions taken to stop the spread of COVID-19 are also affecting work to both prevent and fight wildfire. For instance, there are 4 crew members per engine whose interaction with other engines is now limited and tracked.
We want to protect our communities from wildland fires, but we want to further that protection by keeping social distancing in place so we can protect our communities better.
The training for those crews also looks different, as meetings are no longer happening in central locations.
When we bring seasonals on, this year is going to be tremendously different. We used to have crew meetings every Wednesday, and this year it sounds like the engines aren't going to be able to come up to Deer Park for those crew meetings. And we're going to be adapting, bringing overhead to those engines.
Crews are already dealing with wildfire, especially in the Northeast region, where more than 100 wildfires have already ignited.
Mostly due to debris burning. It's escaping, it's getting away from them.
It has been pretty breezy throughout the whole spring so far, and that's really drying out those light and flashy fuels. And so it doesn't take a lot, especially if you have a debris pile that's putting off quite a bit of heat. It doesn't take a lot of wind for it to get out.
And we're just out there, we're regulating burning standards, we're providing them education so that they can do this more safely at a more convenient time.
Forest health work will continue to thin underbrush and prune trees to keep fires from spreading. That work is considered essential amid the COVID pandemic in order to protect homes and forest land.
Those pieces of land would be less prepared and less safe in the event of a wildfire. The fire would burn more intensely, and it would be a lot more intensive to put out.
Local fire districts, federal partners, all of them, we're already spread thin, and finding those resources, especially this time of year, is getting difficult, and having that extra support with us involved is very beneficial.
Washington State has already seen almost 200 wildfires so far this year.